Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to take total by group in a defined table. For this I have created one example here. I just made it as a competition or something like that. So I have defined it as group A1, group B1, group A2 and B2. So you can see the group A1 and A2 is same with the same names containing same people, whereas group B1 and group B2 is having the same names. So first I am going to block group A1, then group A2, because this will be considered, A1 will be considered as area 1 and A2 will be considered as area 2. So right click, define name, and I am going to name the group as group A. You can make it as any name that you like. Same thing that I am going to do for the group B1 and group B2. You have to select the area 1 first, then area 2 second. Then right click, define name. I am going to name this group as group B. Okay, you can define the names by pressing the menu formula, and from formula you can select define name, and then by pressing define name you can do the same thing. Now I am going to take the total for the group A. For this I am going to type sum equal sum index open bracket, then the reference is the name of the group A, and we are not going to take the total by rows. So for the rows we are going to keep it as blank. So I am going to press comma again. Then for the column, from the table that I have selected, the score 1 is the second column. So I am going to type number 2 and area group A1, which is number 1. So close the bracket 2 times plus sum index group A comma again 2, and this time for the group A2, which is area 2, I am going to select, close the bracket. So I will copy and paste it for the rest of the columns for score 2 and score 3, and I am going to change the column number to number 3 for this third column, and number 4 for the fourth column. I am going to do the same thing for the group B. Group B, B. I hope it is clear. You cannot use define name, you cannot use already defined names for the names like print, save, open, you cannot use. I hope everything is clear for you now. Hope you like this video. Please, if you like this video, please click subscribe, like and comment. Thank you very much.